In this problem, we need to determine the coordinates of the vertex and the focus, the equation of the directrix, and the length of the latus rectum of the parabola given by y squared equals to 8x. Let us begin. So here we start with the given equation of the parabola. We have y squared equals to 8x. Now clearly this particular parabola can be compared with the standard form y squared equals to 4ax, and whenever we have the equation of the parabola given as y squared equals to 4x, this means this is a right facing parabola, meaning we can consider the axis of symmetry to be the x-axis. Then we have the vertex at point V, we have the focus of the parabola. So here this is going to be the right facing parabola, and we're going to consider another point A such that V is the midpoint of the line segment joining A and F, and through this line we can pass another line which is going to be perpendicular to the axis of symmetry, and this will be referred to as the directrix line. Now that we have the diagram, our goal will be to determine the coordinates of the focus of the parabola, coordinates of its vertex, as well as the equation of the directrix, and we also need to find out the length of the latus rectum. The length of the latus rectum is the straight line which passes through the focus of the parabola, and it's going to be perpendicular to the axis of symmetry line with its endpoints at the parabola. So here let's go through the general formula. So since we have the general if we have the general form of the parabola, so here the focus is given by a comma 0. Here there will be no y coordinate value, only a coordinate value, suggesting that our focus lies on the x-axis. Then we have the coordinate of the vertex is always going to be at the origin. Whenever we have the equation of the parabola given in its standard form, the vertex is at the origin. And we have the equation of the directrix. So the equation of the directrix will be given by, so it's a line which is parallel to the y-axis, that's given by x equals to a, but in this case it will be negative a, because if this is vertex is lying on the origin, so that means this is the y-axis, and if this is the y-axis, then any line that's lying to the left of the y-axis is going to have a negative value. So x will be equals to negative a, and the length of the latus rectum will be simply given by 4 times the a value. Okay, now when we compare, we get 4a equals to 8, which means that the a value is equals to 2. So we can find out the coordinates of the focus, so that will be as 2 comma 0. The vertex will be at the origin 0 comma 0. Equation of the directrix line is going to be x equals to negative 2, and the length of the latus rectum will be equals to 8 units, and say 4a equals to 8 units. So we have successfully obtained the coordinates of the vertex, focus, and the equation of the directrix, as well as the length of the latus rectum of the parabola with the equation y squared equals to 8x.